Have you ever pondered over the mystery of our planet's past climate changes and the rise and fall of water levels? How did today's arid deserts once host lush tropical forests? And how did today's icy poles once bask in warm, temperate climates? The answers to these questions lie in our planet's geological record, a fascinating chronicle of Earth's climatic past. Let's embark on a journey through time, beginning over 4 billion years ago during the Hadean Eon. It's named after Hades, the underworld, and with good reason. The Earth was a molten, fiery planet with no water to speak of. The only evidence of this era comes from zircon crystals, the oldest known materials on Earth. These crystals hint at the presence of water, suggesting that our planet may have cooled enough for water to exist. Fast forward to the Archean Eon, roughly 3 billion years ago. Ancient rocks from this time tell us that the Earth was warm and wet, with vast oceans. These rocks, known as banded iron formations, reveal that the Earth's atmosphere was beginning to fill with oxygen, a byproduct of photosynthesizing organisms in the oceans. The next significant evidence comes from the late Paleozoic era, around 300 million years ago. Fossilized tree rings from this era tell a story of a warm, wet climate, punctuated by periods of drought. The alternating wet and dry conditions are thought to be the result of a supercontinent cycle, a time when all the Earth's land masses were joined together. Moving on to the Cenozoic era, about 65 million years ago, we see the first evidence of ice at the poles. The presence of certain types of microscopic organisms in the sediment layers of the ocean floor, known as forams, indicate a cooling climate. Lastly, we arrive at the Pleistocene Epoch, a mere 2 million years in the past. The evidence here is extensive, from the vast ice sheets that covered much of North America and Europe to the layers of pollen trapped in sediments, telling us about the vegetation of the time. This epoch was marked by a series of ice ages, with water levels fluctuating greatly as ice sheets advanced and retreated. In summary, the geological record provides a rich tapestry of Earth's climatic past. From the fiery, waterless Hadean Eon to the icy Pleistocene Epoch, the rise and fall of water levels and the shifts in climate have been meticulously recorded in rocks, crystals, and fossils. It's a fascinating story of change and adaptation, of an ever-evolving planet that continues to shape and be shaped by the life it supports. It's a story that underscores the importance of understanding our past to navigate our future, a future where water levels and climate continue to change in response to both natural processes and human activity.